Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily sell your designs on Canva. So in the search bar, let's just type canva.com/creators. Then press enter. From here, you will be redirected to the creators page of Canva. So from here, just click on become a creator, then apply. So describe your profession or field you're in. Just choose specific creatives, describe your level, your interests. They will also ask you about your goals. From here, just fill out all the necessary information, such as your first name, last name. You can also share all of your portfolio, country of residence, and everything that is needed in here. Then just click on this checkbox. Then once you're done, just click on submit. So once you're done applying and sending all the necessary information they're asking, this will pop up to your window. Once shortlisted, you will now become part of Canvas creators. And from there, you can start selling your designs. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily sell your designs on Canva. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!